No, definitely not doing it over again. We'll try it on mats. This little piece goes in here. It's a little chintzy piece, I'll tell you that right now. That is a chintzy piece. Okay. That's all in now. That's all in. Now I'll put this piece on. Sorry for the noise. They're tuning a 572 Challenger, of course. Okay. There's a little hook that's got to get lined up. That's got to go in first. So you got to come in on a little bit, just put a little pressure on this, and then once that goes in, you'll see how it lines all the rest of the tabs up. Make sure you take it apart from the back first. If you don't, you can screw that hook up. Somebody pointed it out online to a guy. Put an MGM, MGW, whatever shifter in their car. Screwed that up. So, all right, that's in. And last but not least, put this on the floor. It's going to be this lid. Well, actually, come on this side, Dave, if you don't mind. Okay. Just hold that. Try to just not show me, but try to put this in here. There's a little retainer different from the C6 if you ever took those apart, so it's got to snap in like that, which is nice because it holds it in place. Okay. Here's the T15 for these 3 little Torx screws that go right here. Just going to give them a little bit of a snug. Remember what it was like to strip the screws out in C6s. It was a nightmare. Then we'll move on to the next one and see how that goes. Okay. That's it.